Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4. As you know that we are studying about states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gases. And we know that solid, liquid and gases can be converted from one form to another by different processes. Some of them are melting and freezing, and we have read about melting and freezing. Today we are going to study about new process and another process that is known as sublimation. Sublimation is a process by which some solids directly turn into gas without going through the liquid state. Normally we know that solid convert into liquid first and then they are converted into gas. But in case of sublimation, solids directly turn into gas without going through the liquid state. Example is here is an example of sublimation, that is dry ice. Dry ice is actually solid carbon dioxide, and when it is added to hot water, it gives a smoke-like effect. Smoke-like effect means that solid carbon dioxide converts into gas. Smoke is a gas. So solid carbon dioxide is converted into smoke. This process is known as sublimation, and this smoke is used for different purposes, like providing a special effect in movies and theater productions and even drinks. Students, here is another topic in our book. You can say there is an amazing fact about freezing of water inside the water pipes. When water freezes, it expands. We know that on freezing, water expands. So when water expands on freezing, its volume increases. And that is why when its volume increases, it expands and it exerts a pressure on the pipes, due to which pipes burst during winter due to freezing of water. So that is the reason of bursting of pipes during the winter.